She's the TikTok sensation who has amassed millions of views from the younger generation. And not from showing off her dancing skills or her fashion how-tos, but instead, she has all the greatest tips on cleaning.
How to clean a toilet bowl properly 101. Hair, pee, dog hair, and just a bunch of stuff. Always fold all of the blankets like that, like that. So everybody and their mama has been talking about the pink stuff. First thing I'm gonna use it on is showers and glass doors. Please tell me you can feel all of that hard water. Okay, you guys, I mean, look here and here. You can see the difference, right? You're gonna get 5 squares. Start twisting and twisting and twisting. And when you get to this part, you're gonna kind of open it and pass toilet paper through here. So pass it to the other side, like that, and you're done. I think it's like the best bang for your buck. And you're supposed to clean it with the grain. In this case, is side to side, side to side. Wait, when was the last time that you cleaned your mattress? Let it air dry and you're done.
Welcome, Vanessa, to the show. You know, in a few short months, millions have become literally obsessed with your cleaning tips. Have you always been obsessed with cleaning and beautifying?
Yes, I have always been obsessed with cleaning. I mean, from a very young age, I was that child that had her side of the bedroom super clean, super organized, and always fighting with my sister because she wasn't like that. So, yeah, that's always been me.
We need you in my house, by the way. My boys could have that inspiration. So what do you find people are responding to most in your videos?
Anything that kind of can make their life easier or better, they love that. So like how to fold a towel like a spa and how to fold your toilet paper into a rose. There may be like not something that's super popular, but it's just such a cool thing that they're very fascinated by it.
We're living in uncertain times. It's tough to keep up with the latest medical headlines.
About the market, panicked about COVID.
And how do those headlines impact you and your family? 100,000 people died. On season 13 of The Doctors, we want to empower you physically.
If I met them at dance, they would meet me at medicine.
Man, I love that. Emotionally.
If I could change my thoughts, I can change my feelings.
And medically.
He doesn't have his mask up, which is not a good thing.
This is the $1 million question, maybe the $1 trillion question. This is so critical for people to hear. We're giving you the inside track on health and wellness so that you can get back to the life you deserve. It's time to take back your power. The Doctors, now more than ever. Premieres September 21st.